In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you create branded visuals, so images and videos for your products, for your brand without any prompting. Before we look at the demo, before we see this secret tool, AI tool, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So you can create amazing images like this with your own products, clothes, with your own business. And guess what? No prompting needed. You don't have to worry about complex prompts, saving the prompts, begging people for prompts because you don't need them. The tool we're going to use is called Rainfrog. There's the link below, my affiliate link for a lifetime deal on this amazing tool. But let me log in and show you how easy it is to create amazing product images for your product. If you are an e-commerce business owner, this tool is like, it's gold because it can save you so much time. So here I am logged in to my account. Simple dashboard. The first thing you want to do is go to assets and then go to products. And here are some products that are already there. But you know, if you have e-commerce products, just go click on create new, and then you can add your own products in there. So your jewelry, your bags, your shoes, your dresses. Just upload. If you have like 10 different SKUs, 20 different SKUs, I would upload all of them. Number 2 is the character. So the AI characters, you can use these in your product visuals. We'll see them how in a second. You can create new ones. For example, if I go to custom, you'll see I've created mine. So I've added, and it's really, really simple. You just create new, and then you're gonna upload images from your computer and just give it a name, and it will create a custom AI character for you. And I named it Ali. There you go. So yourself, maybe you have someone, a face of your brand, so you can upload their images here to create your own characters. And then number 3, go to environments, and here you can create custom environments depending on your business. Here are some that are already there in Rainfrog. You can also create new and create like custom environments. So products, characters, and environments, create all 3. Now that was step number 1. Step number 2, go to workflows, because what's really cool about Rainfrog is some of these, if you look at this, the workflows means it's already the way these amazing images are created. It's already built in. So for example, let's say I want to create this one, guy eating a hamburger. So click here, and you'll notice all these nodes, right? So the character, the product, another product, it's all like created. So I can easily clone this. Let me see if there's one that I've already done. So let me do that. Here's the one. It's a burning sofa. So right here. So character, product, another product. First they created the image, then they added the style and environment, and then created another one. So you can easily just click on clone to my projects, and it will clone it, and then you can build your own. You can add your own stuff to it. I've already done that, so let me go open. Oh, actually, I've done the hamburger too. But here's the burning sofa. So if you click here, you'll notice I've replaced the character they had. So if I zoom in, look at this. I've replaced the character they had with my own custom character. So you can click here on change, and then you can pick any character from here. I've picked custom, so I picked my own face. Then you can pick the product. So again, you can, if you want to pick another one, you can do that. Look at this. You could also create new products, tops, bottom. You can navigate through all of this. Here is the bottom. So again, you can just click here and pick like another. So for example, let's say bottoms. So there are 2. All products, so I could select this one, right? So that looks like a female jeans, I believe, right? But that's okay. We'll roll with it. Now, so you can see all of these 3 nodes are going into this full body image, right? You can add your instructions if you want. I'm just gonna click on generate, and it's gonna take 30 characters. So actually, let me write it down. Oh, here you go. So you can see these arrows lighting up. This means it's working on generating this image based on these inputs. So no prompting. I could say something if I wanted to say anything specific. I could put that in the box, but you don't have to, because all these nodes are connected here. And look at this. So in about 10 seconds, less than that, the image is ready. So it took me, my face, then the product, and then combined everything into one. So no need to remember any complex prompting. Here's the other one, the style. You can pick a style, then pick the environment. And then if I wanted to change the style, I could click here. Let's see, I could pick another style. So for example, let's say iPhone style. And then I could change the environment to, and then this one. Now you'll notice for this one, there is a small prompt. He's dancing on top of a sofa that's on fire, right? Again, if we generate this, it's gonna consume 30 credits. It's working, it's doing the magic. So easily you can create, imagine if you are a brand that wants to promote new hoodies, you can bring those. If you're a brand that wants to promote new pants, you can showcase those. You can feature those in your branded visuals. And then let's give it a few seconds. You'll notice it's gonna take this input and then modify that image and showcase that. And boom, look at this, it is done. By the way, I forgot to mention, if you look at the bottom, I could also pick the image model that's being used, Nano Banana, GPT, CDAN, so you can select those. And I'm using one of the existing workflows. You can create these workflows from scratch. The good thing is there's a lot of like really cool workflows. If I go back here in the workflows, there are a lot of like really neat workflows that you can use. Now, number 3, we saw the assets. Then number 2, we saw the workflows. Number 3, I want to show you the projects. If you go to projects, there are some already built-in project tutorials here. So talking videos, a workflow, fashion campaign, product videos. For example, if I go to product video, I've already copied this. So let me bring that up, because you can also, again, it's already built in. Instead of building from scratch, you can use this, add your own product, and then generate images and videos easily without any prompting. So here, look at this. So it's using this product image, then using the style, environment, and then everything is kind of noding or going into this image generator. And then here is the text, the prompt, the bag is on the pedestal close up, right? And then it's generating the image. And again, then it also generates the video. So here's the video. It's using the Kling 2.6 model, camera dolly in, and then it will generate, look at the video. So neat. So you can use the built-in workflows, you can use the built-in projects to create your own branded product images and videos, and then use them especially on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, because it will be unreal. Some of these images, some of these creations are gonna be amazing. Any questions? Again, the link is gonna be below. It is my affiliate link, and you get the lifetime deal of this amazing AI tool, Rainfrog. Before you go, any questions, let me know. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.